Hey folks, welcome back to Bama Performance Advanced Chainsaws. Your Pastor Joe's Nick Forster, and today showing y'all a newer saw. This is a Mcculloch CP125. This is the older brother of the SP125. This is a steel bore. It's essentially the same engine as a 797 with anti-wrap. Essentially what it is. This one came out of Oregon or Washington, I forget which. It's an old US Forest Service saw. You can see by the red paint on the oiler, and there's a little bit back underneath it. It's in pretty decent shape. Actually, really mechanically and cosmetically, it's in really good shape, honestly. There's one crack here in the cover. I got a fix. We got a leak here on the seam. But when I fire it up for y'all, so y'all can hear it run. It's got a like a push style DSP here in the back, decomp. It's got a lever style. See that right there? It's a lever you pull over, pops open, and you hold it right there. There you go. So let's see how she does. Pretty good. I'm about to clean up around here and pull the tank so I can start ripping it apart to fix this seam leak. It's just got one right here. Does not appear that it's leaking anywhere over here or on the front. So we'll pull it apart, get her back together, and she should be a good runner for us. Another difference between this and the Supro 125s, they have a 2-pedal reed where this has one single reed flap. So let's give her one more restart and we'll put her away. Compression it's got. It's pretty good. It's not perfect, but you gotta remember that's a 24-pound saw. So, but no, she's in pretty good shape. We just have to fix this one little leak right here. Yeah, it leaks all the way down this seam, about back into here. So we'll see what we can do about getting that fixed. And yeah, we'll have us another one to compare to our Super Pro. Now granted, the Super Pro is getting a CP block. And converting it to a CP block with a DSP like this one. That's because the chrome block and chrome replacement block in my Super Pro 125, the chrome flaked and the crankshaft ate itself. So I've got getting a CP block ported and built to put back into that saw. And if I can get another SP block, either iron bore or chrome, then I will put that one back in it. But for now, it will have a ported CP block. That'll be completely rebuilt. So I appreciate y'all watching. If you like what you saw, please hit that like button. Want to see more? Hit that subscribe button. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Thanks, y'all.